see a lot of people grieving mothers. And Mother's Day is coming up. And I just want to say, God works everything out for your good. You may feel like it's messed up that you lost a parent. You may feel like you so young. How could I lose somebody and I'm so young? You may feel like confused because how was it that I was just talking to this person and I can never talk to this person ever again, and I don't know how to fill a void because I lost such a prominent person in my life. You may feel like that. I understand what that feels like. Grief is something mysterious. And God works in mysterious ways. But just know, everything that you go through, you're going through it for a reason. It serves a purpose. You may not understand it today. You may not understand it years from now. You may not come to the understanding right away. But guarantee, God works everything out for your good. No matter what it looks like, it serves a purpose. The grieving you're doing is something that you have to go through in order to grow. But just know that God is a God who is caring. He has emotions. He said, cast your cares on me. So with those emotions that you feel towards the person that you love, cast your cares onto God, because He's the one that understands. He's the one that's orchestrating your heart in that moment. He may not be the cause of what is occurring, but He's in the midst of what's going on. So call on the King to come and minister to your heart, because it's some things that you just do not understand, and that's okay. But to grieve a loved one looks like, He said, yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I shall fear no evil. For the Lord thy God, His rod, His staff, it comforts me.